Is your Android phone running super slow, lagging, or freezing up? Here's a quick guide to speed it up and get it feeling brand new again. First things first, just restart your phone. A simple reboot clears out background processes and temporary bugs. Next, clear cache. For that, launch settings. Now scroll down, or you can search for the option storage. At the top right, you're gonna find the search icon. Click on that. Now type in storage and search for it. After it appears, click on it. Now over here, you're gonna find this section of app cache. Click on that. Now click on the option clear cache and go through the process. Next up, uninstall unused apps. For that, you can head back. Now navigate to the option apps. Now from these list of apps, you can disable or uninstall any of the app that you don't use. Just click on the app, select the option uninstall, or you can click on three dots, then click on the option disable. Likewise, you can force stop any app that you rarely use. All you have to do is head towards the app, then click on the option force stop. Next up, update your software. For that, head back. Now scroll down and navigate to the option software update. Check for updates. If you found out any available updates, just install it. If none of these solutions work, reset your device. For that, head back, click on the option About Phone. Now scroll all the way down, click on the option Reset and go through the process. So these are some fixes for Android phone slow performance. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.